Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to review a product that you guys really need. You don't even know you need it, but this is something you actually do need. Yes, another Amazon findings. Yes. That is the 2-in-1 vlogger tripod. Yes, you need this in your life. If you are a vlogger, if you like to do things with your wonderful iPhone Max 16, 15, whatever iPhone you have, you're going to need the right tripod. A very affordable, practical tripod that you can travel and hide and just put it with you when you go to those concerts or fairs or just special dates or anywhere and you just are a vlogger for wonderful food, or you like to vlog your sneakers, and if you're a YouTube vlogger, this is something you need, you guys, for real, straight up. So if you're interested in wanting to learn a little bit more of why you really need this tripod, don't go nowhere, then you're gonna have to invest in a tripod. And this one I definitely recommend, you guys, because this one is the business. It has it all. I can't wait to show you. You can hook up a microphone, lights, the phone, and the quality is top tier. So I'm so excited. And look at the packaging. Like, this is beautiful. Look at that. Like, there. I'm here on my channel and I do product reviews, especially from things from Amazon, or if you want to grow your hair, I have a natural hair channel too. And I'm just here to really show you guys and encourage you about these wonderful, great things and why you need them or why you might not need them. But this one you definitely need. A tripod on a budget. You really need this one. It's the best tripod for the smartphone. Look, it comes with a cord. We definitely need that. This is the holder for the phone. Ooh, it's very strong, but small, but great to pack. But it's heavy and it weighs good. So if you have the iPhone Max Pro or something even bigger, it can extend both ways it goes. Okay, you guys? Now here it is. I gotta get it. Ooh, I gotta get it. Oh my goodness, there it is. I love the whole grip of it. Oh, this is perfect. It has good weight too. And it comes with a little booklet of how to do and a manual right here. And one great feature that you guys will love about this right here tripod, you ain't ready. You not ready. A magnet remote control. This is brilliant. High modern style. A remote control magnet? That is luxury right there. That is nice. Whoever thought of that, that's brilliant. And when you look at it, you would never know that it comes off as a magnet. That's quality. This is really great material, you guys. This doesn't feel like I can use this as a weapon. Like, this is nice and strong, you know? But the length of it is good where I can actually hide it if I had to go into a festival or a carnival, or if I wanted, you know, to get good footage of something. This is gonna enhance the quality of my videos, you guys. You have no idea. This is gonna take you to the next level up. Yeah, and I mean, you'll be up there shooting like great high-end quality. So I'm trying to open it. It's really wrapped up there really good. I think this little pin would just get it right in there. The links are all down below, so if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, all the links are down below. Oh, wow. This is nice. I can feel the weight of it. Okay. Because my phone is expensive, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It was straight up $1,700. I have the new iPhone 16 Pro, and I do like it. It is black, and it will match this. All right, you guys. Very nice, heavy, good quality. I feel it. Okay, so what we got here is your little screw here, and it's different ways to connect it. I don't even have to read the instructions. This is so easy to understand. Like, you got up here your light thing where your light's gonna snap on, or you can actually snap on a microphone right there too. So this is gonna give you that double whammy, that 2-in-1, that it can do multiple things. This has a nice spring to it. And I mean, I have to do it with both hands and pull really hard. This is a really strong spring. And it has like a gooey texture material in here, so it will protect your phone. It shouldn't scratch it at all. But I recommend, if you are gonna shoot and use this wonderful vlog tripod, definitely take that cover off because you wanted to get that full grip around the phone, and the cover takes up some of the space, and you want to make for sure it's secured in there because you want to take care of your phone too. But you want to make sure you get that good footage, that this clamps it correct. You know, what I buy for some of my tripods, if it's a standing one, I buy like sandbag weights, you know, so if it's windy or something, that mess is not going to fall over. But this is a handheld one, so you're actually holding it, so you're going to be good. You're going to be good, or somebody's going to be holding it for you. All right, so this has different screws. I don't know if you guys can see it. Different screws on each end, blah, blah, blah. So then that means you can just put it here like here, voila, 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 and this just tightens it, you know. Or you could add another one here. You could put multiple ones and do like a really great 360. I can't wait to show you some great footage that I'm going to use by using this wonderful tripod. And let's go. Because I can't wait to show you what I can do with this, baby. Even this one has the microphone and another light atop, you know, on top of it. So I'm so excited, you guys. Can't you tell? Like, this is like Christmas all over again. So you can put multiple devices all in one, but you still can get different angles or different shots if you know what I mean? So when it's all on it, it's on it, baby. You see how I got that? So we're going to just connect it all together correctly because I'm doing this kind of fast. Again, I have a Canon 90D. The camera could go on here. And again, this is a nice clip off. It's very easy to use. And then you got your like tightening thing here. And it actually could tilt back and forth once I loosen it up a little bit. See? So, I mean, worst case scenario, you guys can just buy it. You know, these wonderful things always have a warranty and a great return policy. You can always buy it. If it's not for you, return it. Get your full money back. But I guarantee you won't be returning this. You'll be telling your friends and family, and you'll be buying more of these because it's like, why not keep one of these in the car all times? You don't know what you're going to have to take footage of. If you are a true YouTuber, vlogger, TikTok, Instagram, social media, platform, influencer, all the above, and you live here in LA and Hollywood, you don't know what's going to happen next. You better be ready. You better be ready and have your equipment on you. This is the perfect one to have on you because it's just the right size. So right here, I'm just adding on the flexi mount, you guys. This is just more extra accessories that you can purchase. I'm just tightening it up because I'm gonna take some good footage. Look at this, you guys. So I'm in this really beautiful Kaiser hospital, but I just saw this amazing artwork. It's made out of metal and it's like running people. So now I'm going to show you KraftGeek Vlogger Tripod Max, you guys, of all the unique directions and ways you can shoot it. And I'm going to be using it this whole time on from the video. Oh, I can't wait to see the amazing footage that you guys create once you invest in getting this very affordable vlogger tripod max. So subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be another Amazon review. And this shake was really good. It was like a protein strawberry banana shake. Gave me a little bit of mucus in the throat because I don't really drink that much like milky things. But other than that, it was delicious.